Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 16th day of January 2022. Elon decided to go ahead and accept Dogecoin for his merch for Tesla. Is that bullish news? I mean, look at the market. Look at my chart right here. I was already bullish in the market for Dogecoin, and the news come out that Elon is going to accept it for Tesla merchandise, and then the market went up that one day. But since then, the price has been coming back down. Is the market still bullish for Dogecoin? I'm going to speak on that today. Welcome to HueFin. We're also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do price predictions without giving you no confusion. I simply look at what everyone else is trying to do with their own money so that we can get an idea as to where the market overall is going to go. So if you guys appreciate this, join the team, join the community, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. I make this simple. I make this easy, and it's not complicated. If I can do it, you definitely can do it. So make sure you keep it locked in here so you can learn as much as possible so that you can eventually go out and do this for yourself. Check this out. I did a video in Dogecoin on December the 21st, right? Still showing you all what happened into the market since then. I was being bullish into the market on December the 21st for this currency. And from out the gate, yeah, we did see the price go up, but we got rejected around 19 cents. Price came back down. Buyers still came in where I said they was going to come in at. Look at that. See, even though the price in Dogecoin came all the way down here to 14.5 cents, I told you, as long as the price is able to keep support there, I'm still going to be bullish into the market in Dogecoin. And it did that. Look at it. Yeah, go back and listen to my video. It's still there in my Dogecoin playlist. Look at it. So as the market came in and propped up its price around 14.5 cents, then the news that Elon Musk is going to accept this cryptocurrency, that's when the market went up right there on the 14th. Now, question. We was already in position on the 21st of December looking for this currency to go up. Now, look at this. This is not a coincidence, okay? We were already in position to capitalize on this market move and expecting some type of rejection in Dogecoin around 22 cents. And we talked about that on December the 21st. So as this market in Dogecoin got news of Elon accepting his currency, the market got rejected right around that area. Look at it. And since that time, price has been coming right back down. This is why you have to understand where you're willing to take the bag, where you're willing to take the profitability, because if you don't, you end up losing out on those gains. But yet and still, everyone wants you to hold on for the long term, which is used loosely because you cannot define long term. What is that? 3 months? A year? What, 5 years? Is it 15? Is it 20? Is it 40? Is it 50? Is it 100 years? How long is long term? Exactly. You cannot quantify it. But yet still they want you to do it. So congratulations to those who was able to see this market or this play just like I did. Yeah, you shouldn't be surprised to see the market get rejected up there around 22 cents. That's around 29.5% profitability right there. Something that I mentioned on the 21st of December. That's done. That is over. So now we need to see, okay, the news came out. Elon is going to accept this Dogecoin for Tesla merchandise. Cool. Everyone got all up in arms. You saw tweets, you see YouTube videos coming out talking about how good that is. But yet still, this market is kind of, it didn't grab that vigor, that excitement to really push this price up to around 35 cents. It didn't do that. What it did do is it gave those who held the coin right here opportunity to sell on the news. Yes, this is what happens. The market has two biases. The ones who plays on the news to sell it to you, and then you have those who think it's positive news and they come in and buy it because they're looking for the price to go up. Which team are you on? Because right here on the 14th of January, majority of the market sold to whoever thought that that was good news. Yes, that's exactly what happened because the price has been coming down since then. If this market truly enjoyed that news of Elon accepting his currency, this price would not be falling right now. This market on the 14th would not have closed off of the highs with this high volume. You would not see that, but we are. So that's not seen as a positive news catalyst for the overall market. It only gave those who had huge bags of this Dogecoin to sell it to a market willing to accept it because they think it was positive news. Now, the question is, where are we going to go next, right? We need to figure this out because you guys can see it. I got a support price right here in Dogecoin, right there around 16 cents. Now the market decided to come all the way down here towards 15 or 14 and a half. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to lower the support area. I mean, the market gives us what it needs to do, what it's trying to do. We're not here to object to it. We're simply here to follow. And you guys can see here is where the market in Dogecoin got rejected previously. All the answers are already on the chart. It's just everyone else that makes it complicated for you to see it, right? So this is the trading channel right here in Dogecoin. Okay. Now, this is our expectations because we now know where the buyers are at. They are here. And we now know where the sellers are at. They're up here. So right smack dab in between is where the stability is. And this is where the market's going to try to move to see which one is going to outdo the other. Are the buyers going to be stronger than the sellers, or are the sellers going to be stronger than the buyers? So as of right now, we're pretty much right smack dab into where they are at. So let's take a look at this on a different time frame. All right, so this is Dogecoin on a 3-day. Okay. So looking at this on a 3-day time frame, we all can see with this high volume, we close off of the highs. That's not a good sign for the buyers. It's not. I mean, pretty much like what we saw here on this 3-day price bar from December the 12th, we saw a lot of volume and we closed off the highs and the market still came down. So if anything, I could say that the market is not bullish right now. It is not that bullish as of right now. Let's take a look at this on the 5-day then. This is Dogecoin on the 5-day. I mean, what do you all think? Can we still see this price go up? Just by looking at the chart. What do you think the market is trying to tell us? Is it trying to go up? Is it trying to go down? Let's see this on a weekly. I want you all to tell me, what do you expect this price to do? Is there even a play here? Is this something that we can actually play upon and say that this market in Dogecoin is actually going to go up? Or are we actually going to see the price come down? Because I'll be the first one to tell you, hey, every market is not a play. Every market is not an opportunity to come in and buy or sell. Sometimes you just need to kick back and let the market continue to trade. And then eventually you'll get a little bit more evidence off the chart to tell you where the overall market is headed. Now, as of right now, it's kind of too early to say where the market is trying to go in Dogecoin, right? Kind of too early. So now I might leave this up to you all because you might have a better indication. You might have some special type of tool, some special type of strategy that you don't want to let no one else know about that tells you where the market is going to go. Because from my realm, from my perspective, I'm not going to touch this just yet. No, not yet. So I'm gonna leave it up to you all. I want you all to drop me a comment real quick in Dogecoin and tell me, let everyone else know publicly, where do you see this price going for this currency? Are we going to go up? Or are we going to go down? Because I'm going to kick back and I'm going to wait until I see a little bit more evidence in this market in Dogecoin, because overall, shoot, that's all I'm looking forward to right there. Just for the market to continue to bounce in between those lines. As I get more information, then I'll be able to tell where we're going to go. So I don't think there's a play here right now in Dogecoin. You may think so. That's why the comment section is open. So let me know real quick. What is your price prediction? Where are you expecting this market to go for Dogecoin, up or down? Call it right now before we even go there. Where are we going to go? Let our subscribers know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.